So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder.
So we made it to the beach. We got a little umbrella, some chairs. This stuff off. Take my shoes off. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Alright. So yeah, we made it to the beach. It feels so good out here. Oh, look at all the cruise ships. Yeah. Okay. Stopped by Walgreens to get some beach towels because we forgot ours. This back on my head, it's gonna blow off. I'm gonna have to pull it down. Yeah. This water is so pretty. Are they getting ready to pour it or take the oil? Yeah, you got a good camera on yours.
I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh, think about the stuff we play. I'd rather do that instead.
It's so beautiful out here. Last time we was out here, we seen some fish. I don't see nothing now. Y'all look at these men right here. These guys right here in the blue, trying to find some hidden treasures. There's two of them out here. Where the other one go? Oh, he walking in front of the dude. what babe out here doing? Meditating. Let's go see what he's doing. Hi, honey. What you out here doing?
Just digging up sand and
Meditating.
watching it just roll out of my hands when the waves come.
Oh.
Just thinking about life, man.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, think about life. Thinking about food.
Thinking about food. I'm starving. You want to go get some lunch? Yeah? And come back or what?
It's 2 o'clock.
What that's supposed to mean?
Just saying by the time we get lunch. 3.
We only been out here barely an hour.
I don't want to leave until we leaving.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I don't really want to come back.
Oh, okay.
But I need to go out here and get this sand out my ass. I can lay on that lay a bed for a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Now we got a little cook. I had cooking.
Yeah, especially on your stomach. Yep. I want to sit down, but shit. Get this doggone sand off my feet. They out here snorkeling and all kinds of stuff. I can't get out there, y'all, because my aunt came to visit. Messed up our little vacation, so it's whatever.
He said a lot.
Y'all, they had that order all wrong. At least she was sweet about it.
Oh, that Walgreens right there? Oh, we did pass that thing. Okay. It was in the right at the corner of the thing.
Some ice sound good though. But it's okay.
I wonder if we're supposed to like pull up and wait somewhere. You don't think so? Okay. That'd be hard.
Large Coke and a large tea.
Hey, babe.
Here are your straws.
Thank you, darling. This thing is calling my name. I'm so thirsty.
What's coming in?
This drink. I've been thirsty this whole trip. Seemed like I know I shouldn't have ordered no Coke, but I did.
You know what?
Been craving a soda.
Motherfucker. Okay.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too.
Eventually.
Old school way, that stuff used to get irritating on TV. You remember you see beep 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 beep. You be like,
Well, stop cursing so much so I won't have to beep bleep you. I meant to get the people in the water with their mask on, y'all. People was in the ocean with their mask on. What is wrong with y'all?
look, they
What
blocked.
is wrong with y'all?
Is that?
I hope it is. Yep, she walking up.
Oh. Hello.
But yeah, they was sitting. You too. They was in. Yep. They was in the daggone ocean with masks on. If it's ever that serious, for real, stay home. Like, for real.
Cause you wanna just stay home.
You look
gotta just say,
stupid. You really look dumb.
Just
If-
go somewhere. Just
Looking about crazy.
go do something different.
Basically, go do
I'm just
something.
saying, just do something different with your life, man. Come on, lady, back that big thing up in that parking spot. Come on.
I'm about to eat my food because it's
Come on.
sweet.
Oh, she ain't even down there.
She ain't had no business parking like this.
Yeah, but she ain't had no rent yesterday. She left that thing in that good enough.
She know how to drive that truck. She should be able to do. Alright, y'all, this is my food. Gave me some limes. This is some tartar sauce, I think. Yep, tartar sauce. And some hot sauce. So, because I got wings. I mean some shrimp for the tartar sauce.
Right.
So I'm about to eat.
Secure it 'cause we about to
7 hours later.
Here's 2 corns and 2 potatoes, no substitution. Yeah.
you might as well make your own.
Yeah, true.
I'm doing the king crab legs with some.
So we're at this place called Mr. and Mrs. Crab. Ending our night with a seafood boil, or ending our vacation because we go home tomorrow. I'm thinking about getting combo A. Comes with a half a pound of snow crab legs, half a pound of shrimp, and a lobster tail. I don't want that much because I'm not really that hungry. Not starving, but I could eat.
I see calamari on here, but I don't know how they put that in the thing. I don't. It'll be
Probably,
soup, like
yeah. He don't like wet food.
Keep it dry for me.
Right.
Pound of green mussels.
Yeah. I'm gonna see what they drinks look like.
I seen that Hennessy lemonade. That
I
looks
bet that shit is good. Shipwreck. 4 flavored rum.
good.
Blend with mango strawberries. Ooh, I want to try this one. Available frozen or on ice.
What's that?
The shipwreck.
Oh,
Yeah. Crab burrito, Avion, tequila, beach mango. Y'all, I really had fun this trip. I really did. I had a lot of fun. Today is Angel's birthday. So I'm gonna go home and celebrate his birthday. Luckily at that age, all he wants is like a couple toys, some cake, and he ain't got to the stage where he asking for phones and games and stuff yet, thank God. Because listen, when I tell y'all, we are sick of buying games. I'm sick of buying games. I tell him all the time, I wish them things would just explode. I'm sick of them. Because there's always some fighting and arguing and, you know, whose turn is it and da-da-da-da-da. We got like 4 or 5 systems in the house, but everybody wants to play the same system. I'll never understand it. And then there's the losing of the batteries. And da-da-da. I ain't got to tell y'all. Y'all got kids. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about. But yeah. But I have fun this vacation. Yes. Yes. You have fun, baby?
yes.
You had fun.
A lot.
Big, strong, manly hands. Yes. How'd you drink, baby?
Strong.
He ordered a Hennessy and lemonade.
Not bad.
I got this one called Shipwreck. Frozen. This tastes like, it's got rum and something else in it. I can't remember. Pineapple, mango. It's good. Look at all these wipes they gave us. And these, they must have gave us 15 gloves. And this is the first place I've ever seen that actually give you scissors to cut your crab legs. I told babe if the food is good, we'll be back. This will be a staple. I got just some crab legs, some corn. There's a lobster tail over there, and it's some shrimp down in there somewhere. So this is the end result.
Total carnage.
Yes.
Total carnage. Look
Yes,
at that right there.
Look. Yep. Gone. Alcohol gone. All I'm waiting on is a refill and the tickets. And I'm about to take all these bad boys with me. Is there some over there behind the bucket, baby?
Just one.
Just one? I'm about to take all these.